Students from Angus Ridley School are taking a field trip from Nevada to New York. Well, more of a country trip. We will be turning over to Elijah soon to interview the students, and we have a special guest at the end to tell us about the train.
We just found out a new type of train using electromagnetism. We have Elijah on the scene to show us the train and the people on it and what they like about the train.
Hi, my name is Elijah, and we have some kids on the newest train of the century. The train is made out of a magnet and has electricity running through it to make the train faster and stronger. Here we have some kids in a class that are about to take a field trip named Anthony, Desiree, and Atari. Tell us what you think about the train and what you know about the train too. Now here we have a student.
Hi, we are at Agnes Risley Elementary School in Sparks, Nevada. We are all going to get on a magnet. We will be on a field trip on a magnet from Nevada to New York. We figured out that from Nevada to New York on a magnet, it will take 2 hours to get there. New York is 2,237 miles away from Nevada. I think that the train is really fast and strong because electricity makes the train go really fast. When electricity is rubbed on a magnet, the electricity force is stronger than regular electricity, which makes the train go faster. Now that trains were used to run on thermal energy, then electricity, now it is electromagnetism.
We are at the Electromagnetic train station. We are all waiting for a magnet train to run. When we saw the magnet, we noticed that it was levitating on the train track. It is more efficient than a regular train because it makes it easier for a wire to go around the train, so the electricity can make it go faster. The magnet is like a train, so that inside the train, the electric wires are wrapped around the train to make it go a lot faster. Since the magnet is producing energy with a magnet and electric wires, it acts like a simple machine.
The magnet train was invented by a guy named Alfred Z. Hen in the year 1902. The magnet's top speed is 361 miles per hour. A magnet levitates on the tracks because the track has one magnet facing up and the train has one facing down. So when the magnet is facing up and the one is facing one is facing down, it makes the opposite sides to make a force that allows the train to levitate on the track. A regular train might take about 6 hours to get from Nevada to New York, but the train took us about 2 hours because the electromagnetic is really strong to a magnet being wrapped around a long time so that the wire of electricity is faster. Since the train is faster, you can see the air wave passing right next to it, which is like the wind energy. Based on the research of the train, it's like there's no potential energy because it never actually stopped moving.
And there you have it, folks. That's an electromagnetic train is faster than a regular train. Thank you very much. Back to you.
Now we have a scientist to tell us how the train works and how it moves on the world.
Hi you guys, my name is Dr. Charisma and I'm going to tell you guys about a magnet train.
Sure.
There are many forms of energy like wind, mechanical, solar, hydro, sound, and thermal. But the one we are going to talk today is about electromagnetism that powers a train. The train is faster than a regular train because the power of the electricity is stronger with a magnet. See, a magnet wrapped around by a wire creates a strong field called electromagnetism. After the train is wrapped around on a magnet for a long time, the magnet field is so strong that it makes it stronger. This will work with all magnets. After they make it, it is now called electromagnet. When they put it in the train has a magnet all around it. The train will go faster. On the train, there is a very minimal amount of potential energy, but it has a maximum amount of kinetic energy because it is levitating and it is fast because it goes from state to state really fast. The train has a transformation from electromagnetism to sound energy because with the speed of the train, it makes a really loud noise due to the speed it is going at. That's all. Bye.
Now, I'm Alexandra. Sandra.
I'm Jeremy.
I'm Elijah.
From News 7. Join us after these messages when we talk about the cause and effect of global warming.